What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Weekly Outlook on HDA Traded Empire. In today's video, we are going to analyze the forex market and see what is likely to happen in this coming week. We are going to analyze pairs like EURUSD, GBP USD, gold and oil. But before we dive into the chart, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. See you. Starting with EURUSD, we notice that EURUSD is currently bullish. So now, since the market is bullish, we will be looking for buying opportunities in the market, and we are to spot our key levels. So for our key levels, we have a zone of interest here, we have a zone of interest here, and we also have another zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest here. So we have these two zones of interest here. So now you notice that now EURUSD has gotten to a key level. EURUSD has touched this key level below here. So now in this coming week, we'll be looking for buying confirming candles. We'll be looking for buying confirming candles and buy USD up to this point here, or here can be your TP1. And when price breaks structure upward here, we wait for a retest to this key zone here, then look for buying confirmed candles and buy EURUSD. So this is a very simple analysis on EURUSD. Move on to GBP USD. So now on GBP USD, we note that the current trend of the market is bullish on the 4 hours time frame. So since the market is bullish, we'll be looking for buying opportunities in the market. So spotting our key levels on this time frame, we have a beautiful key level here. We have a zone of interest here. A zone of interest here. Then we also have another zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest here. So we'll be looking for buying opportunities on all those zones we've identified. So now I notice that GBP USD is currently on this particular zone here. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be looking for buying confirmed candles on this zone here. Then we buy GBP USD. But in case price continues to drop and drop and drop downwards to this key level here, we'll now be looking for buying confirmed candles on this key level here. Then we buy GBP USD. This also a simple analysis, and I always try to make my analysis simple for you guys to understand. Now the next pair we'll be looking at is USD CAD. So on USD CAD, what do you think the current trend of the market is? So I'm giving you a few seconds to think about it and type that in the comment section. Okay, I know most of you will be saying it's a bearish trend or a downtrend. So now, since this is a bearish or a downtrend, we will be looking for selling opportunities in the market. We'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. So now we have this key zone here. We have this zone of interest here. Then we also have another zone of interest here. We have another zone of interest here. So now, since we've identified these key zones here, now I'll be looking for selling opportunity at this particular key zone here. I'll be looking for selling opportunity at this particular key zone here. So when price gets to this key zone here, I'll be looking for selling confirming candles and sell USD CAD up to this key zone here. And when price gets here, I'll be expecting price to break structure. And when price breaks structure, I'll be waiting for a retest to this particular key zone here and look for selling confirming candles and sell USD CAD. Take a look at US oil on the 4 hours time frame. So now with US oil, what do you think the current trend of the market is? So I want you to pause the video and type the trend in the comment section below. So I'm giving you a few seconds to do that. So okay, I know most of you be saying this is a downtrend. Most of you be saying this is a downtrend, but you're also right. And I'll say this it's a ranging market. US oil is ranging. US oil is currently ranging. So now we have this key zone here, right? We have this key zone here, this zone of interest here. And we also have another zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest here. So now do you see the markets ranging? Yes. So now what you have to do is that you can just trade within the range. So maybe when price gets to this resistance level here, you can look for selling opportunity, selling confirming candles, then sell US oil up to this key zone here. Or if price gets to this particular key zone or support here, you can look for buying confirming candles and buy US oil up to this key zone here. But the most appropriate way of trading this will be a breakout. So now what I mean by a breakout and a retest. So the most appropriate way of trading this will be a breakout and a retest. So let me extend my key zones. Let me extend my key zone here. So now this is what I want to see, the most appropriate way of doing this. So those of you don't want to risk a lot or don't want to take a risky trade, you can just wait for a breakout, maybe upward. So when you see the breakout upward, then wait for a retest to the key zone here, then look for buying confirming candles and buy US oil. Or you can wait for, in case the market breaks the key zone downward. So let's assume maybe market came down and break structure downward here. You can wait for a retest to this key zone here, then look for selling confirming candles and sell US oil or crude oil. So this is a very simple analysis on US oil. As we take a look at GBP AUD, so that's the Great Britain pound and the Australian dollar. So now on this pair, what do you think the current trend of the market is? And I want you to write it in the comment section. So I'm giving you a few seconds to do that now. I believe most of you are done typing it. Okay, so now in this market, it's a ranging market. So the current trend of the market is ranging. Actually, the market is not trending, it is ranging. It is ranging. So we have this key level here. We have this key level here, which is a resistance zone, and we also have a support zone here. We also have this support zone here, beautiful one here. So we have this key zone here. So now you can be trading within the range. So when price gets to resistance, so this resistance, assuming price rises up and gets to resistance, you can look for selling confirming candles and sell. And when price gets to support, you can look for buying confirmed candles and buy. But I would rather encourage most of you, especially beginners, most of you are beginners, to wait for a breakout upward, then wait for market to retest the key zone, then look for buying confirmed candles and buy. Or in case market breaks structure downward, in case it breaks the key zone downward here, you can wait for a retest to this key zone here, then look for selling confirming candles and sell GBP AUD. So this is a very simple analysis on GBP AUD. Take a look at our last pair, which is the almighty gold. So we analyze gold now. So now the current trend of gold is a bearish one or a downtrend. So since it is a downtrend, we'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. And we have this beautiful key zone here on gold. A beautiful one here. And we also have another key zone here on gold. We also have another one here. So now we'll be looking for selling opportunities at this particular key. So I want to see gold rise upward. to this key zone here, then look for selling confirming candles. I want to see selling confirming candles, then sell gold. Then I sell gold. So this is a very simple one on gold. It's not any difficult analysis. There can sometimes be a case whereby gold, so let me get rid of this arrow here. It can be a case whereby gold will just maybe come to the middle portion here, then start selling. But for me, I want to see gold get to my key level because I'm interested in selling at my key levels. Then look for selling confirming candles and sell gold. So this is a very simple one on gold. Now guys, we've come to an end of our weekly analysis. And if you believe that we haven't analyzed any of your interesting pairs, do well to type that in the comment section below, and we'll do well to analyze your pair in our next video or weekly analysis. And if you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button. And if you have any question concerning our analysis, do well to ask in the comment section below, and we'll do well to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching.